Hi, it's Julia from Russian Speaking Club, and today we will learn how to make an order in Russian cafe or restaurant, and also we will talk about how to talk to a waiter, and of course we will talk a lot about Russian cuisine. With native speakers, you will be able to improve your spoken Russian and practice various situations so that when you went to Russia, you will be more confident. We ordered a lemonade, limonad in Russian. Our lemonade made from pears and mango, and it is really tasty. Очень вкусно. Это лимонад. It's great that there are coloring books and games for children on the tables as well as colored pencils. Therefore, while you are choosing or waiting for an order, your children will not be bored. Well, or you. It is very colorful and beautiful menu there, and it is very convenient that there are pictures as well as name of the dishes in English here.
Дорогие гости, добрый вечер. Меня зовут Наталья, я буду с вами. Скажите, пожалуйста, вы готовы сделать заказ или вам дать пару минут для того, чтобы вы выбрали?
Мы готовы сделать заказ.
Отлично, замечательно. Тогда я могу принять.
Давайте. Мы бы хотели запеченные пельмени. Также мы бы хотели добавить соус чесночный, если есть.
Да, конечно.
И какие-нибудь вареники с капустой.
Отлично.
Ну и, конечно же, салат.
Сельдь под шубой.
Я думаю, да, именно его.
Ну, отлично. Спасибо за заказ. Приятного вам отдыха. Через несколько минут принесу вам ваше блюдо.
Будет отлично, спасибо. And while we are waiting for our order, I will tell you more about Russian cuisine. So, Russian cuisine has a long story. It is well known all over the world. Traditional Russian cuisine has many interesting secrets, thanks to which even the most ordinary porridge can become a masterpiece. So on the menu you can find traditional Russian dishes. For example, борщ and зеленый борщ. Actually it's щи. There you can find about 20 varieties of вареники, dumplings, вареники с картошкой, вареники с мясом, and even sweet dumplings. For example, вареники с вишней, вареники с творогом и курагой. And of course, you can find the Russian salads. Salad сельдь под шубой, оливье. We talked about this salad in our previous video about Russian New Year traditions. And of course, the salad which is called mimosa. So I like dumplings very much. Dumplings called vareniki in Russian. So that's why we came today at Varenichnaya #1. It is a place where you can buy dumplings and of course other dishes, for example борщ, limonad, salad, etc. And Varenichnaya #1 is a restaurant chain. There are many cafes all over Moscow and each has its own theme. For example, sport, music, etc. And there you can hear Soviet music with Soviet interior and it is amazing. Today we are at Varenichnaya #1 on Tretyakovskaya metro station and the theme of this restaurant is Soviet sport. It consists of 2 halls with the interior of Soviet's living room, reminiscent of the sporting achievements of the USSR, posters with Olympic skiers and slogans of Soviet sport hangs on the walls. On one of the walls there are 2 Swedish walls for pull-ups and push-ups. The table have a chessboard pattern. It is an old Soviet gymnastic equipment, god, козел in Russian, and it is located at the entrance. Wooden frame televisions, ceiling lights, old chandeliers, checkered curtains, shelves with old books, skis and sleds. This is a very recognizable Soviet cup design, so atmospheric. And there you can see sushki, and this is the most favorite sweets for tea. It is very cool that there is special children corner where children can play, draw and etc. and it is really great. Would you like to visit this place? Write in the comments. And while we were talking, they brought us a salad. Селедка под шубой. Let's try our salad. It made from fish, свекла, and mayonnaise. I feel that New Year is coming actually. This is traditional New Year's dishes. Very tasty. Спасибо. Спасибо большое. So the waiter brought us our order. I ordered baked dumplings with meat, and the waiter recommends me this particular sauce from garlic. Also, we have original tradition vareniki with cabbage, and this thing is called поджарка in Russian, and it is actually fried onion. And the waiter recommends us to eat it with smetana, sour cream. So let's try it. It's interesting because they are half baked and half fried, and it is really tasty. And with this particular sauce, it's amazing. I like it very much. Actually, this place is magnificent. I don't know how to describe this feeling, but I feel this vibe. I feel this atmosphere of Soviet times, and it is fantastic. You can drink from these glasses from Soviet times. You can listen to this music, Soviet music. You can see this print on plates, and it's like flashbacks to that Soviet times, and you feel this. You feel that you are there, that you are Soviet woman. Cool. I like it very much. So they brought us the bill, and look, it looks like a Soviet passport, really beautiful, red, and this is dumpling there. When you finish your food, tell the waiter that you would like to have the bill. You can say it like this: принесите, пожалуйста, счет. Or можно мне счет, пожалуйста. If you will pay in cash, you can say я буду платить наличкой. In cash, наличкой. Or if you will pay by card, you can say я буду платить картой. By card, картой. Also, I want to leave tips to the waiter. In Russia, we are called them чаевые, and usually they are not included in the order price, but it is customary to leave about 10% of the receipt. So, чаевые is a very good tone. Here are some phrases that will help you make an order in Russian and to communicate with the waiter. Я готова, or готов, if you are male, сделать заказ. Я готова сделать заказ. Я бы хотела взять, and the name of the dish. Я бы хотела взять борщ. And a couple more necessary words and phrases. This is menu, столик на двоих, троих, or четверых, depends on how many people in company. This is тарелка, a plate, вилка, fork, ложка, spoon, ложка, and a knife, нож, нож. This is стакан, a glass, with lemonade. Стакан с лимонадом. Very tasty lemonade. And the necessary phrase, where is the toilet? Где у вас туалет? And of course, everything was good, super, amazing. Все было вкусно. Спасибо. Well, our trip to Varenichnaya #1 was successful. We had a delicious meal. And now it's time to write in the comments on what topic you would like to see me in the next videos, especially now when the weather is beautiful and it's time when you can walk a lot and enjoy views of beautiful Moscow. Bye!